What if I tell you that just by adding small detailings, you can turn a simple outfit into a designer? In this simple outfit, I have just made diamond neck and this is looking fabulous. So today I am going to show you how to make diamond neck. For that, we need canvas paper. I'm making a small size neck, so this side I'm taking 2.5 inch and this side I'm taking 5 inch. So 2.5 by 5 inch is the measurement. I'm marking it and joining the lines. After joining the lines, I'm going to mark the center, and from the center I'm going to join the mark. After that, we are going to make the thickness. And guys, I would like to thank all those who have subscribed my channel, and I'm very happy that my subscribers are increasing day by day. And guys, if you are new to my channel, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon as well, so that you get all the notification of my latest videos. And please support me and subscribe my channel and share it to your friends as well. Please like the video and comment so that my video reaches more audience. So please, it's a request to you. It is just a click for you, but it means a lot for me. So please like, share and subscribe. So now I have made the thickness of 1 inch and cut it out. Now we are going to place this neck on a fabric of exact match of our shirt. So I have pasted it with the iron and I'm making a border of again 1 inch, and I'm going to cut this border and fold it on the canvas paper. After folding it, we have stitched it, and now we are finding the center so that we can mark the center, and we will match the exact center of this neck and the shirt. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, that if you want full detailed tutorial of this kurti and any other kurtis design and designer kurtis as well, you can visit my channel and see the detailed videos. So now we have cut the inner part and we have given notches to it, small notches we have cut, and we have flipped the neck. Flipping the neck is the main part, and after that we just need to hem it. For hemming we need the thread and needle, thread of same color so that the stitches will not be visible. And after hemming, neatness comes out naturally. Please don't forget to take the exact matching thread so that it looks very neat. We just need to take 2-3 threads of the shirt and pass on the needle from the border we have made, and then we have to repeat the same process. You can flip the neck and check out whether the seams are coming neatly or not, the neck is looking perfect or not. If it is looking untidy, don't worry, after a little practice you will get better. So I hope you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.